Alrighty guys, so we got the Nissan Frontier. Nice styling in the front, a little bit, maybe a little too futuristic honestly, but doesn't look too bad. Once you add like the little bit more of off-road stuff, it seems to do pretty good. Very nice interior. Pretty good, pretty good. Got some nice colorations. Oh, there you go. Nice handle right there. That's nice to have. Cloth seats. Pretty good. Very nice. But yeah, look at that. Nice side profile, stuff like that. Also, we got to check out the rear end here. We got two different USB ports in the back here. You see those in the orange. We got the pull down cup holder, very nice. Let's see here, we can put a water bottle in right there. We'll just hike up on in here. There we go. Very nice, a little bit tight, but not bad. Oh, seat is fairly decent. So right about there is the best spot for me anyways. But once you get into the seat, it's definitely comfortable to be in. And that is where the problem is. Right about there. So trying to get your big booted feet out, that's going to be where the issue is. So kind of small in that aspect. So definitely nice, but not a whole lot of space when it comes to that though. So that's interesting. Nice bed, looks pretty good. Check out the rear end here. And this is the SV, so this is the bottom level, so it's not the upper level, so that's good to know. It looks pretty good. Like the new styling in the rear. It's pretty good. Pretty good. A lot of adjustments on the seat looks like too. So, but yeah, that is the new Nissan Frontier. So, not bad. Not bad at all. But yeah, definitely think the front seats was going to be a little bit better though. Not bad though.